Hello friends, today this video is about copy and align space function. This video is on special request of my student Karan. So in this I have created an array A1 and p.array 1, 2, 3 and I have done print command. This is the output. Now suppose I create A2 array is equal to A1. That means whatever is array A1, it will be saved into A2. I will use print command, print A2. I will run this. You can see this is A1 array, this is A2 array. Suppose now I want to check an array A1 at the position 0. At the position 0. You can see it is 1. At the position 0 it is 1. Now suppose I want to change this value. Is equal to, I say suppose it is 10. Now I want to change 1 to 10. This will print my A1 array. Now I am going to print A2 also. You can see this was my previous array A1, A2. This I have checked the value at index value 0. Now I have changed at index value 0 to 10 in A1. You can see A1 10. But it is automatically reflected in A2 array also because they are now both interlinked. Whatever change you are going to do in A1 array, it will be reflected into A2. Similarly, if I make any change in A2 array, suppose at index value 1, I am changing it to 20. Suppose I want this 2 to become 20 in A2 array. You can see this was my previous array. This is about my 0 index value. Then this is which I have done 10 change at 0 value 10. Output of this. Then I have changed at index value 1 through A2 array. It is reflected in both the array. It is reflected in both the array. Let's see again. I am saying A2 is equal to A1. I am assigning array A2 the value of array A1. Now I am saying print A2. You can see 5, 6, 7. Now I want to change value. Suppose I am changing at the position A1 index value 0. At index value 0, I want it to be 25. That means this 5 I am changing to 25. Now I will use print command. A2. Print. Save. You can see it's 25. Similarly, if I will check A1, it is also the changes reflected. That means when to equalize system to equal to symbol, you are equalizing the value. Then if you will change any value in A1, it will be reflected into A2. Similarly, if you will do any change in A2 array, it will be reflected into A1. That means now both are interconnected by this equal symbol. Now I will explain you copy function. Suppose I am saying A2 is equal to np dot copy within bracket A1. Now print A1 array is 5, 6, 7. Similarly, a copy is created in A2 array of A1 array. It will run. At present, you will get the same value. But now if I do any changes, suppose I say A1 at index value 0, I am changing it to 25. Now I am printing A1. You can see changes there because I have done change in A1 array. Now suppose I print A2. Now you can see there is no change. It's 5, 6, 7 only. So that means if I am making a copy through copy function, then A1, if you do any change in A1 array, it will not be reflected into A2. Similarly, if I make any change in A2 array, it will not be reflected in A1 array. Suppose I am saying, first of all, I show you the print statement of A2 and then I will change A2 at suppose index value 1. I am changing it to 16. Now I will again print A2. You can see this was my A2 before changing this value. Now when I have changed at index value 1, it has been changed. But now if I print A1, I print A1. You can see there is no change in A. There is a change in A2, but there is no change in A1. You can see again, here I am printing A2. You can see in A2 array it is changed, the value is updated, but in A1 there is no change. That means through copy function, you are just creating a copy of A1 into A2. If you will do any change in A2, it will not be reflected in A1. Similarly, if you will do any change in A1 array, it will not be reflected into A2 array. This is about your copy function. Now, Linspace function. Suppose 1, 10, 10. Print. You can see that has been divided into 10 equal portions. This has been divided into 10 equal portions. Now suppose I say here 2. it will divide into two equal portions. You see 1 and 10. If I divide it into three equal portions, you can see 1, 5.5, 10. If I say 4 equal portions, you can see 3, 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 4 equal portions including starting value and end value also. If I say 6, it is divided into 6 equal portions. Suppose I say 100, 1 to 100, I have to divide it into 4 equal portions. You can see 1 plus 33, 34, 34 plus 33, 67, 67 plus 33, 100. Like this. Linspace is a function through which you are dividing into that much equal portion. This is the starting value, this is the end value. Both values are included and you have to divide into 4 equal portions including 1 and 100. Starting value will be 1 and ending value will be 100. And you have to divide it into 4 equal portions. If I say 2, then it will give just 1 and 100. If I say 3, that means just a middle value. You can see 1, 55, 50.5 and 100. Like this. You have to divide into that much equal portion whatever you are writing in this parameter. That is, first is your starting value, then is your end value, and then in how many portions you want to divide. And 1 and 100 will also be included. That is all about Linspace. Thank you, class.